Please let's give it up for Mr. Stefano! On my right, our DH. Please let's give it up for Mr. Edo! On my left, bass guitar. 30 years ago, Ian on stage with Acting Babies. Please let's give it up for Mr. Luca! I don't see your hands. Because I need to introduce myself. So, after Edo, Stefano, and Luca, my name is Chris, and I'm trying to do my idol, Bono. Thank you. No, much louder. My name is Chris, and I'm trying to do my idol, Bono. Thank you so much. She's the dollars, she's my protection. She's the promise in a election. Can't let you go. I'm gonna tribulation for love and money, for love and money, for love and money, 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 and a fever, even higher desire, desire, one more, desire. Bravissimi!